this is question number 4. Given h of x is 2x positive 3 over 5 negative x. The question wants us to determine the value of x for which the function is undefined. Now this is given, so this is a solution for this question. H of x is 2x positive 3 over 5 negative x. Now h of x is undefined for 5 negative x is equal to 0. So this means 5 is equal to x, this means x is equal to 5. So when x takes the value 5, h of x becomes equal to, or h of x becomes undefined. So that's a solution for this question. So we move on to the next one. The next question is actually wants us to find, this is 2, is asking us to find the expression for h inverse of x. Now h of x is given as 2x positive 3 over 5 negative x. So I'm going to write this as y is equal to 2x positive 3 over 5 negative x. Now you replace x by y and y by x. So over here you get x, this is 2y positive 3 divided by 5 negative y. Okay, replace x by y. So x is replaced as y. Then you rewrite this for y. You cross multiply, you get 5 times y times x is equal to 2y positive 3. So this is 5 times x negative y times x is equal to 2y positive 3. So you take all the y to one side, bring all the other quantities to the other left side. So it's going to be 5x negative 3 2y positive y times x. So you take that y out, you get 2 positive x. Over here it's 5x negative 3. We need y, right? So you bring this 2 positive x down. So it's going to be 5x negative 3 divided by 2 positive x is equal to y. So this means y is equal to 5x negative 3 over 2 positive x, which in turn means h inverse of x is equal to 5x negative 3 over 2 positive x. Okay, so this is the final solution for this question. Now this is the next question. Let me draw the graph first. You have a hit like this, and this point, you have to look at this point. Now we have each of the scale, right? So it's 1 cm equal to 1 unit. So according to that, if I were to measure this point, this is going to be 5. It is visible, it's actually given in the question. 2 is a little bit further away. But anyway, let us just take this as the figure, and the figure is not to scale. Okay, figure not to scale. So clearly this point is 5. Similarly, I don't want to place in these points, so let me just take it as 0 there. So this is going to be another point, and it is Q. So this measurement is going to be 0,4. Clearly from the given graph you will be able to pick that up. Okay, So having got this, we are asked to find the gradient of PQ. So my P is 5, 0 and my Q is 0, 4. So I would take this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So gradient as a formula y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. So this is going to give me 4 negative 0 divided by 0 negative 5, which is 4 over 5 with the negative sign. So m is equal to negative 4 over 5. So this is the gradient for this particular line. Okay, next we are asked to find the equation of the line. So in this case it is PQ. Now this is a straight line, so we know that the equation of PQ is of the form y is equal to, what you can do is you can outrightly write it as y is equal to mx plus c. This is the form. Now m is the slope here, and we have found the slope to be as negative 4 over 5 times x positive c. Now we will have to find the value of c. How do we find the value of c? Now clearly we know the line passes through, I'm going to take this point, it passes through, what is the point? It is passing through 5, 0. Okay, so I will indicate that 5, 0 passes through 5, 0. So I'm going to take this as x1, y1, substitute it over here. So it's going to be 0 is equal to negative 4 over 5 times 5 positive c. So this means c is equal to 5 gets cancelled, I get a positive 4. So now we can write the equation. So therefore the equation of PQ is y is equal to negative 4 over 5 times x positive 4. So that's the required equation. Okay, next they are asking us to find the equation of the line that is actually passing through P and is perpendicular to PQ. So what is the meaning of this? So let me actually show you. So this is the line PQ. We are asked to find the equation of the line. It is actually passing through the point P. Now line can pass through this particular point in multitude number of ways, but they are saying that the line passing through is perpendicular. So that can only happen if it is hitting the point P in this fashion. So this is a 90 degree. So let this line be R and S. Okay, so we are asked to find the equation of RS. Now since RS is perpendicular to PQ, this means the slope of RS will be equal to negative 1 over slope of PQ. Now the slope of PQ is negative 4 over 5. Therefore slope of RS is negative 1 over negative 4 over 5. Negative negative gets cancelled, giving us 5 over 4. So therefore the equation of RS is of the form y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. So 5 over 4 y negative y1 times x negative x1. Now since RS passes through, okay, this is a very important point, passes through P of 5 comma 0, this is going to be my x1 y1, which means y negative 0 is equal to 5 over 4 x negative 5. So I get y is equal to 5 over 4 times x negative 25 over 4. Okay, so let me rewrite that one more time. Y is equal to 5 over 4 times x negative 25 over 4. Now this is what we have been given. So clearly you see that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 25 over 4. So this is the y-intercept. So if I were to calculate this, this is going to be negative 4 is dividing 25. 6 4s are 24, 1.042s are 820, so 6.25. So it's going to be negative 6.25. So how is that going to be looking like? So this is the y-axis. Okay, this is the y-axis. Now this line is hitting the y-axis like this. So this point is going to be negative 0 comma negative 6.25. Okay, 6.25. Okay, I don't have to place the negative sign, I am placing the negative sign here. So this is how the graph is going to be looking like. Okay, this is a lovely question. Okay, so with that we will move on to the next one.